Hello friends, welcome to Hasmullah City. In this training, I'm going to show you how to do follow-ups for inviting any workshop or any webinar. So in this process, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to follow and how to call them any person if you want to invite for a webinar or a workshop or any kinds of training. Okay. So first of all, we will see what we are going to do. First of all, number one step is we have to make a list of person to whom you want to contact. Okay, make a list of that. Okay, in that list and put remark on that. Okay, let's suppose this is the name field. Okay, this is phone number field, email field. Okay, and do one thing, remark field. This should be there before starting any calls, because you don't want to miss anything if somebody is saying something about that. So how we can do that? We can have Excel sheet, Google sheet or anything, or else we can have printout. Okay, to maintain this one. So Google sheet is very enough to make these changes. So what will happen means you'll be having list of data. Okay, 1 2 3 4, many data will be having. In this, what you need to do, you need to call them one by one, and don't worry about the timing. Don't think that they will be working, they will be sleeping, they will be going somewhere. Don't think that, because you don't know. Okay, if you something you don't know, you should never assume that. Okay, that's why we have to know that. Okay, that's why we have to know, like if you don't know anything about the customer, then don't worry about it, just call them. Okay, call them, and next step is that, okay, make a connection first. Okay, before after calling, just don't give offer like we are having one webinar or we are having one workshop, please join that. Okay, don't say that, make a connection with them. Okay, so how to make connection is, so first of all we will call them. Okay, let's suppose you are calling them and you say that, okay, I am calling from Hasmullah City, and do you have 1 minute time, because we have a very important message to deliver you. So do you have 1 minute time? So you can ask them. Okay, or else you can ask something like that, so do you have is this right time to talk to you, so that I can deliver you some important message about our upcoming workshop. Okay, so these things you can ask before. Okay, first you have to ask that, you need to connect them. Otherwise, if they are not connecting with you, if they are busy, so whatever things you are saying, they will listen and they will forget it. Okay, if they are ready to listen, then only we are going to say the next thing. Okay, if they are ready, let's suppose if they are ready, then you go for the next step. If they are not ready, just put a mark. Okay, ask, let them. If they are saying that, okay, I don't have time right now, so okay, fine, when I should call you next. Okay, you should ask them. So if they are saying, okay, call me after 1 hour, so make after 1 hour time reminder. Okay, if they're calling like, okay, we don't have time today, call tomorrow, so make time for tomorrow. Okay, whatever time they are telling you, just remember that itself. How you can remember that? By mentioning on the Google sheet. Otherwise you cannot keep in everything in your mind. Okay, so that's the second part. After that, if they are ready to listen that, so then we ask them, okay, as you have, then you can say that, as you have like visited our company, our website, so actually we are conducting one workshop. Okay, or else we are conducting on webinar. Whatever webinar topic is there, you have to know that. Okay, you have to know that. So you say that, let's suppose right now we are having a workshop for lead generation mastery. Okay, so you can say, so we have right now we are going to have one workshop on how to get leads, how to manage your leads, and how to close more sales out of that. Okay, that's why we can start with that. Okay, so here is the second part. So you can explain. Okay, explain what is a workshop. Okay, what is the workshop, you can explain here. So this is you have to explain each and everything. Then you need to ask them, do you want to attend this webinar or do you want to attend this workshop? Okay, ask for permission. Okay, ask for permission. Do you want to attend this one? If they are ready, okay, if they say, okay, ready to attend, fine. So you can say that, okay, I have sent you the link on your on your email, and I am going to send you right now link to join the workshop on your phone. So what we can do, you can send the reminder, okay, on SMS, okay, WhatsApp, as well as email. Okay, send reminder on all three medium. Okay, or SMS also, because sometimes what will happen means some of the people will not be familiar with the WhatsApp, some of the people will not be familiar with the SMS, and some of the people will be familiar on the email. So you have to send reminder on each and every platform, okay? Don't miss out anything. So you have to give details on each and everything, okay? So this is the main part we are going to do. And then what we can do once they are registered, so you keep following that. So this is the way we can do that, okay? And finally, once we are, if they're ready, type ready to attend, okay? Type ready to attend, type ready to attend, whatever person is there. So you second time don't need to go through the once again with that person, okay? And this is the first part. And if you want to make sure that they are attending the webinar or workshop, before starting workshop, before 1 hour or 2 hours, you can call once again, okay? Again you can call, okay? Again you can call and say that, sir, we are going to start our workshop in 1 hour. Just check out the link, okay? Check out the link in your email, WhatsApp or SMS, okay? If you're not finding link, then let me know. I will send you the link once again. So this is the way we should invite our like whatever registrant or whatever customer or whatever audience we have. So why means this is important means, see, why most of people are doing the same mistake, because what they will have it, what they will do is they will collect the lead, okay? They will collect the lead and they will, but more people will not come for the workshop, okay? People should come to the workshop. So that's why we have to make sure that everybody is going to attend our workshop. That's why we have to keep sending multiple reminders through SMS, through WhatsApp, or through emails. That's why they will be attending that. At least once or twice we should call as well, if you have time. If you don't have time, then do automation. If you don't have time, you can do voice messages, okay? You can send voice messages through software if you have more data and more like restaurant is there, okay? So anyway, this is very, very important, because if you send voice notes, so what they will do is, if you send SMS, they will not listen at the same time. But if you call them or else you send any voice messages, call will come, they will receive at the same time itself. So that it is compulsory, it will show that they will not miss your message. Once they will not miss your message, this will be so easy to be so easy for them to remember that, okay? And finally, you also have to say that, okay, sir, mark your calendar, okay? Or else put your alarm, okay? Put alarm for the given time, so that you don't miss that webinar, because this webinar is going to be more valuable, because this is completely practical knowledge you are going to get inside that. That's why you need to put alarm, okay? You have to ask that, because what will happen, even though you say them, they will forget it. If they will put alarm, right now in a smartphone it's very easy to put alarm, so everybody can put alarm, and this will help them to not miss that webinar, okay, or workshop. So I hope you got the clear idea. I want everybody who are conducting any webinar or running any kinds of workshop, they should follow that. If you are my affiliate or someone, like if you are working with me, then you can follow the same procedure to invite all of your leads, okay? Because leads you are having is nothing but it's going to help you. Leads should attend the workshop, then only you are going to chance to get some sales. Okay, that's my message for today, and I hope you got the idea. If you have any query, any question, let me know in the comment and reply me, then I will clear the more. Okay, see you in the next training.